I travel for work. So I did it for about a year, like doing the hotel thing. And sometimes she'd come along and others she wouldn't. But then the hotel thing gets old, you know what I mean? You don't have your own stuff. And so we figured, okay, let's invest in a trailer. That way she can come with me and bring the pets and everything else, you know. We were looking for something a little more durable and with a little bit more space. At the time when we bought our first trailer, I didn't have the bigger truck either. So that's one of the reasons we bought this trailer, because it was a little bit lighter, you know, and it was towable with the vehicle that we had. So, but then thanks to my son, he had a bigger truck, but he wasn't using it, and he said, "Here, Dad, take it. You're towing the trailer." That worked out fine. I mean, it pulled that trailer very easy, and so then we started looking around after a few years of doing it, and this was what, 2 years ago, huh? And we walked through it, and I was talking to one of the guys there from Brinkley, and I mean, looks like they did a lot of homework on it, you know, listening to customers of what they were looking for, and the finishings on the trailer itself, the suspension, everything else, it was pretty impressive, you know. And then we got to the point where we walked through other brands, but it was almost the same as what we had, you know. But maybe it was bigger, but the quality seemed to be about the same, which was, I mean, it wasn't bad for what we got, but we needed something that was built a little bit more solid, I believe. The design and the look, I mean, it's a clean looking trailer, you know. There's really not much out there that compared to it, too.
The inside is beautiful.
Yeah, the design for her is, there was several things. For her, it was the bathroom and
The kitchen.
Yeah, the kitchen. So now we have a lot more space. So yeah, I think it's a really nice rig. Yeah.
I love it so far.
If we go out on the job, she stays in the trailer. So, I mean, she spends a lot of time in there, so I wanted her to be, you know, comfortable and have everything. The amenities that she has at home, she has them on the road too, you know. So that was one of the big reasons that we went with this particular brand. Yeah, we'll be heading out this weekend actually to Half Moon Bay. That'll be one of our normal trips because we have a son up there, our little grandson. We like to go spend time with him, so it'll be interesting to see how it rides.